What's going on, everybody? This is David. Today we're going to do a mic comparison. We're doing the MOVO WMX-20, the Rode shotgun mic, and the factory mic on the Sony A6500. So now we'll test all three mics. We'll test the factory mic, the Rode shotgun mic, and the MOVO wireless system. So this is the Rode shotgun mic mounted to the top of the camera in the first setting. So this is the Rode shotgun mic mounted to the top of the camera on the second setting. So this is the MOVO wireless system using the lapel mic, and the wireless receiver is mounted on top of the camera. So now we're gonna do the distance test. Currently I'm about 3 feet away from the camera. I'm gonna walk that way and see how far the mic goes. So we're gonna stop at every one of these trees as we walk back. They're about 40 feet apart, and let's go. So here we are coming up on the second tree. So that's about 40 feet away from the camera, give or take, maybe a little bit more because the camera's a little further back. We're gonna go further. We'll walk to the next tree. It's about 80, 85 feet away from the camera. Go to the next tree. There's about 125 feet from the camera. And by high level of education, this should be about 160 feet from the camera. I don't know if that's 165. See, math sucks. So I'm just keep walking. We'll see how far this goes. Up a drone. Gonna keep walking. And we're coming back up onto the camera so fast. And we're now about 3 feet away from the camera. And hopefully we were recording because I'm tired. So now we're gonna go ahead to a couple different spots to check out the performance of the MOVO in louder urban environments. So now we're about to go walk over a highway interstate. Highway. So now we're gonna go walk over a highway across a bridge with lots and lots of road noise to test to see how the mic is doing. This is a very busy highway, and the noise from the highway, I'm saying highway a lot, did you notice? A lot of highway. We're ding, highway, 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 highway. So this is the Rode shotgun mic mounted on top of the camera on the top setting right on the bridge over the interstate. So this is the MOVO wireless mic system on the bridge over the interstate using the lapel mic. This mic should do pretty well in this environment. I'm talking pretty normal. I talk pretty loud anyway, but as the cars pass, I'm hoping this audio sounds pretty crisp and clear with minimal background noise, but I'm not sure. We'll see. So we're headed back to the cars now. You saw the RAV in the last video, link in the description. Stay tuned for the Ram video, which we'll have coming up soon. It's a 2019 Ram, 4-inch lift, 35s, but you'll have to wait for that video for more details. Wow. All right, this is level 6. We're doing a mic test. Test 1, 2. This is level 7. I'm doing a mic test. Test 1, 2. This is 5. Test, mic test. This is 8. Test, mic 1. All right, now drive all the way back, and I'll meet you back there. I just want to see how far it goes. All right, this is a mic test. We're gonna have the car drive away, and I'm gonna walk on back just to see the distance and the quality of the mic as I walk and things like that. So here we go. The highway is right here, so it's pretty noisy to my ears. So trying to see what the mic will do, you know, with this new wireless setup with the highway right here. It's pretty loud, and I'm not sure how it's going to sound on the camera, but it's pretty loud from my perspective. And we've filmed out here before without any mics, and it's been a pain in the butt. Or even the shotgun mics haven't done super well out here. It's the only thing that's good about here is it's got a tree barrier, so it isn't. All right, so I just repositioned the mic because I realized it was underneath my shirt the whole time. So I'm not sure how that sound quality, so I put it on the outside of my shirt, and we're gonna see what that sound quality sounds like versus under my shirt, which I didn't mean to do, but you know, this is why we're doing these tests, to see what it sounds like. If you missed everything before, I was talking about the audio or the highway noise, so this lav setup should be. What you're currently hearing is the in-camera mic on the Sony A6500. So when we started looking for mics, we wanted to get something that was a lot more versatile than we were using. The Sony in-camera mic works pretty well. The Rode mic works pretty good, but it also has its limitations. So we wanted to go with a wireless lav setup. So now you're hearing the Rode shotgun mic attached to the top of the camera at regular settings. That's gonna be good. No, we'll keep that. Get baby audio in there. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
So there are pros and cons to using this wireless mic setup. First of all, you get to cut the cord, which is really nice. The price isn't too bad. It's about $169 for a mic, a transmitter, and receiver. They also make a kit that's about $200 that gets you 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. So it's not too bad in price. It's super easy to use. One thing that I didn't really like is how the receiver mounts on top of the hot shoe. It's kind of wobbly and it's really difficult to use, so we may have to figure out a different system to mount that on top of the camera. But as far as quality, you get a cool carrying case. One of the major benefits to the wireless system is you can go out to about 250 feet outside and still get pretty good audio. The shotgun mic is super limiting, and obviously the onboard mic is just as limiting, if not more so. So we're recording in our studio, or studio to be here for the first time. We're gonna be doing a lot more recording in here, so we don't know exactly how this audio quality is gonna come out. We're gonna do some sound deadening in here. We've got some lights set up. We're gonna do a lot of cool stuff, so we're gonna use this mic in this room, and hopefully the sound quality is really good. I'm David, and I'm into that. I gotta sneeze though, but I'm gonna try to get it out. I'm David, and I'm into that. What's going on, everybody? Oh, yep. What's going on, What's going on, everybody? My name is David. What is my name? My name is David. What's going on, everybody? My name is David, and today, should I say my name? This is David. There we go. What's going on? What's going on?